We are repairing 2681 Macbook today, which trackpad and keyboard not typing, and the whole system seems to be turning on, but bit unstable with the typing and trackpad. So we already diagnosed the issue down to a faulty sensor, which is here the edge sensor, screen angle opening sensor, it's called. So this sensor detects the angle of screen opening and closing, which has a little microcontroller inside, which communicates through I2C line with the CPU and the rest of the components. So let's disconnect this sensor and check it under microscope. Most likely we have some issues with it. So this is the sensor. Basically, it's a chip which measures the magnetic angle of the opening hinges. Problem is that this is a microcontroller with a firmware inside, which communicates through most likely through I2C line. Let's have a look on the microscope. I can see on the microscope that it corroded quite badly. So we need to clean it, desolder it most likely, and fix it underneath. So let's jump under the microscope. So we're ready with this. Let's connect it back here. Alright, the lit angle sensor has been installed. Let's fire up the Mac and see if we're gonna get our keyboard and mouse functionality and trackpad functionality back. Let's wait for it to fire up. We heard the chime noise, so I'll try to hide customer user details here. Give us some way here. Beautiful. And look at that, mouse is moving, keyboard has a caps lock button on. And the most important question, are we having the screen going off? Beautiful. Screen goes on and off on the angle. Off. There you go. So we fixed this MacBook successfully and it's ready to go. Just to recap quickly, apparently liquid leaked in the bottom right edge, which usually happens when the laptops are in a backpack, where the bottom of the backpack is perhaps wet. And liquid leaks in. So this is the first electronic piece over here. Problem with this sensor is that it's a chip which is programmed to work only with this Mac and detects the angle movement of the magnet. While back in the days we used to have a simple on-off kind of Hall switch which detects a magnet when the screen is closed. With the new generation Macs, it's much more advanced than that, unnecessarily engineered in my case, over-engineered in my case, seems like, because simple on-off switch would suffice over here. Nobody cares what angle you are opening your screen under. So what happens here with this chip is it detects under what angle, 90 degrees, 45 degrees, etc. the screen is opened, while actually only thing which it needs is to know if the screen is closed or not closed. A binary sensor will be sufficient, as it was used to be with the previous generation Macs. Now everything is just over-engineered to a break point where when something like this fails, you need a special firmware to be able to program the chip. Luckily, this chip was corroded but not short-circuited or failed, so we only replaced the cable and we resoldered the chip with a program on it onto the donor cable. But it just shows the disposability of Apple designs these days. Thank you guys for watching, and if you need the service and are based in Australia, feel free to hook us up and you can see our services. Hopefully you like this content. We are trying to make more and more content, but obviously we're busy, so it's a bit hard. Your subscription and support means a lot, and it definitely encourages us to make more content. Thank you guys for watching.